everyone, how's it going? Today I'm here to share my experience with a product that has completely transformed how I approach my diet and weight loss journey. I'm talking about Crave Burner. This supplement promises to curb appetite, increase satiety, and even boost metabolism. And let me tell you, it delivered on all of these promises. Within just a few days of using it, I noticed a big difference. You know that uncontrollable urge to snack all the time? Well, it practically disappeared. Now I can enjoy my meals without constantly thinking about food. Plus, I feel so much fuller after meals, which helps me control my portions and reduce the number of calories I consume throughout the day. What's really interesting is how fast Crave Burner kicks in, around 15 minutes after taking it. And the best part, there's no stomach discomfort or any side effects, which is a huge plus for me. I also noticed that my metabolism sped up because I could feel my body burning fat more efficiently, which was a game changer for my workouts and diet results. And let me just mention the extra energy I've been feeling throughout the day. It's not the jittery kind of energy, but a steady boost that helps me stay productive and motivated to keep up with my healthy habits. So if you're looking for a solution to control your appetite, avoid those diet slip-ups, and boost your weight loss, I highly recommend Crave Burner. It's been a game changer for me, and I'm sure it could help you too. If you've tried it or are thinking about giving it a go, drop a comment below and let me know about your experience. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Want to take control of your cravings and kickstart your weight loss journey? Head over to the link in the description to order Crave Burner now and get up to 3 packs for free.